Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas. Today we have a fun video. I get asked all of the time about heat presses and what I recommend. So I ordered off of Amazon the 15 by 15 power press. I ordered it on March the 10th and it arrived on March the 14th. I had to go pick it up from the post office. That's just because our post office can sometimes not do what they're supposed to. I paid $189.99 for it and I bought a 3-year protection plan with it for $14.90. My sister-in-law has this press as well. It is a great little press, so I figured we would do an unboxing and kind of go over what is all included in the package. The only thing I have done is take and cut open the flaps on the box. So we'll go ahead and start doing unboxing. So first things first, it has a t-shirt Sublimation heat press machine product manual. So that's nice to have. It comes with a Teflon sheet. Again, nice forks come with. Now let's see if we can get this thing out of here. It seems to be packaged well, and the box weighs 55 pounds. It says it right there on the outside of the package. So, this thing is heavy. Give me a minute to move the box to the floor so I can lift it out onto the table so you can see what I am doing. Okie dokie. Okay, so as you can see, it is a clamshell press, which means it closes down. It does not swing away like my big one. There we go. And it has time and temperature controls right here on the front. And then the knob up here is to adjust your pressure. But as you can see, it has the rubber on the bottom and then it heats from the top. So, regular 1 outlet, power button to turn it on is on the side, and there's a fuse. So let's take a look at the product manual. And if you take a look at the product manual, it tells you where the pressure adjustment and everything is. So it's nice and well made, sturdy. So I would definitely recommend this if you were looking for an economical heat press for home use. There we go. And we will do another video over how to set the thing up and set the temperature and all that, but I figured this would be something so you could kind of see what all comes with it when you open it up. So don't forget to check us out on all of our social medias, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. I have a second YouTube channel over makeup and keto and all that fun kind of stuff. Other than that, I think that's it. And don't forget, I will leave a link in the description box for the April the 4th scrap box drawing. So just go and comment on that video, and you have to be subscribed to the channel to be entered in for a chance to win. Other than that, I think that's it. Thanks, and y'all have a great day.